everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fast forward on Netflix. To fast forward a content on Netflix is super easy. Open up a web browser of your choice and log into netflix.com. You can also open up the Netflix app on your mobile devices and sign in. Now, in order to fast forward a content, go ahead and select a movie or a TV show and play it. Here I'm gonna play this show over here. Right after you start playing the TV show or movie, go ahead and look for this little speedometer kind of an icon and select the playback speed right next to normal. Here you can select 1.25x or 1.5x. Select any one and then play the content. As you can see that the playback speed has now been changed for the chosen content. That is how you will be able to increase the playback speed on Netflix. If you want to fast forward between clips, simply go ahead and click on this arrow button at the bottom left, this 10 option right next to the volume key, and you will be able to fast forward the selected clip. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.